Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. I'm going to scramble the cube. I'm going to be using this cube to show our goals. First goal is the daisy. So the daisy looks like this with 1 yellow and 4 white. So let's do it in this cube. So you find the yellow center and get these. So they might be like this. So if it is like this, I can just take it down and put it down. And this came here, so I can just take it down. Now I have two. This one is here. So I just rotate it so there's no white. Then take it down. Now this one. You don't have to care about this. It's okay. This is the daisy. Second goal is the white cross and centers. So let's do this. So this is green and this is orange. So we move the top like this until this center matches with the color in this edge piece. This is correct. So I just move the front 2 times to make 1. So now the next one, this is not correct. This is not correct. This is correct. So we just move it 2 times. The next one, it goes here. Now this one, it goes here. Next goal is the second layer. So let's do it in this cube. So you have to make a T, upside down T. So this color has to match with this. And you don't need colors with yellow. So this one, we just move it until it is correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. And this is correct. This is orange here and green here. And one of these sides you will have the color on top. And take that side and do this. Copy this. Copy the move. It's the second layer. Now let's do it in this cube. So if you have one correct, you will have an upside down T. You don't need one with yellow. So this one is correct. And one of these sides you will have the color on top. So here this is not correct and this is correct. So copy the move if you have to place it here. Then move will place the one from here to here. Now we take this out to switch it. Now that it's out, we put it and this color is here. So copy this move. Now this is the last one and this is correct. That's not the last one. So copy this moves again. That is not the last one. Now this is the last one for sure. So copy this moves again. Now I have the second layer done. Goal is yellow. Let's start. So I got a plus. You can repeat this move. If you get a T like this with 2 dots and like this, you can just put it like this and it will be solved. There might be also other mistakes. There might be other cases, and I'm going to show you how to do them. Thing you get, you just have to repeat these moves. Sometimes move it like this and then do it. Now I have got a fish. This fish is the correct fish, but there's no yellow. If this one is flipped and you have a yellow here, that's okay. If you don't have one, repeat this 2 times. Now you might see it with yellow. Now you just have to do it one more time and the yellow layer is done. Now this is the last layer, so we will get any problem like this and take the nearest one to be solved and put it in the back. Now repeat this moves. Put it in the back and if you get a U, you might get one like this. Now I'm going to show you how to do a one to switch these and switch these. There is also another more which we have to switch these two and switch these two. So repeat these moves. Next one looks like this. You have to switch these three and one is solved. So put the solved one in front and repeat these moves. Now you might get it one more time, so do it again. Now that's all you have to do to solve it.